Hi guys!
Boom! What's up, JK Adventure fans? You already know who it is. It's your favorite chubby couple. Happy Sunday Fun Day. We already know you're not going to be seeing this on Sunday, but it is Sunday, so hopefully you're having a fun day. With that being said, today is going to be a very special day because we're supporting our local shops.
Yes, we are.
We're giving the love back to the community. AKA my boy Nick finally opened up his own barbershop. He's having a grand opening. Nice little spot. Juanita went last time. She wants to check it out with me.
It was really nice. He did a good job. The way he set it up and everything, it was really
nice. Very clean, classy spot. If you guys want to get a cut and you live in South Florida, definitely recommend this shop.
It's called Next Level.
Next Level Barbershop. We'll leave the address in the bottom as well. Just gonna go hang out, see what's up, maybe see if we can get a couple words from the owner. But we're looking forward to the grand opening. Never really been to a grand opening. Like I said, I always recommend everyone to support their local shops, local businesses. Make sure that people can eat and feed and support their family. That's basically what people want to do. Support the hustle.
Exactly.
With that being said, tell them what to do, baby.
Before we get this video started, don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos to a friend, right? Exactly.
Support your local lovers. Your local chubby couples.
Alright, so we'll catch you guys there. Peace.
We made it. We made it on time, made it safe in one piece, guys. Now the video is kind of going to turn into like a little montage, a little happy dance music maybe, but stay tuned. Hopefully you guys like it and maybe we might get a couple words in. There he is. Look at Chris! What's good?
Doing, big dog? Oh,
whoa!
Another camera, bro?
Holy shit!
I got like
the
5 cameras around
right
here, bro. My man.
What's good?
I appreciate you coming by.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Long time no see, stranger.
Whoa.
Red carpet flow, son?
I know you guys see this.
I know sometimes I let my pride get the best of me, thinking we got telepathy, working on it every day, but I don't know what's next for me. Wish I could have everything, but nothing in this life is free. Gotta dig my heels in and think about what's best for me. I know you have your doubts and trust me, I got them too. I know it's getting hard, but babe, I believe in you. We're gonna make it far, I promise that's what we'll do. I'm getting back on track, I promise, babe, you will too. Getting back on track. Getting back on track. Getting back on track.
Hi guys!
So y'all saw what we were up to, you know, showing the love, local love, showing some support, a lot of good people out there. Links down below, like we said earlier. Make sure you follow these guys. Show them the same respect and love you show for us. That's all we ask.
Yeah.
And just keep the drive alive. But
other than that,
tell them what you thought.
I loved the environment. Like, it was really nice, like, just to see it. And then I've never been to a grand opening ever, so like it was really cute. It was nice, it was cute, and like it was good vibes, like chill vibes. Everyone there was cool, nice. I don't know these people. Kirk does, but I don't really. But other than that, I think we had a good time. Like, I enjoyed myself. Did you?
Yeah, and if you guys ever have a grand opening, you want JK Adventures, let us know. We definitely gonna love and support you guys and slide.
Exactly.
That's the kind of people we are.
But other than that, I think we're going to close out this video tonight. We've had a good night. You guys saw what we did. It was a Sunday fun day. And I guess catch us in our next video.
Yeah, make sure you catch us on our next video. And like, subscribe, like Juanita said. Y'all already know what to do. Don't make me have to repeat myself, but it's nighttime. It's bedtime. It's Sunday. We got jobs tomorrow. So good night and enjoy.
Bye.